and today I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review as well as opinions on this product right here, Wild Growth Hair Oil. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kozak and I'm back with yet another video, and today I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review as well as opinions on this product right here, Wild Growth Hair Oil. So first thing first, let's talk about my experience with this product. So overall, I've been using this product for about 3 years in total, or a little bit more than 3 years. And I honestly have to say that I have absolutely no complaints about this product at all. Like, I overall think this product is a wonderful product. There's very few products that actually work for my hair, and this is one of those few products. So let's talk about what this product is. So first of all, this is a hair oil, so it's an oil that you apply to your hair, and what it consists of is basically a large blend and large variety of different oils blended and mixed up into one bottle, one oil, right? So this product contains coconut oil, olive oil, it has rice water in it, jojoba oil is how I think it's pronounced, I'm not sure, pomegranate, pumpkin seed extracts, and just a whole bunch of other oils just mixed up into one bottle, right? So that's why I think it actually works so well for my hair, is because it has so many different stuff. So whatever my hair needs, you know what I'm saying, it's in there somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I think it might work so well for my hair personally. But yeah, it's basically a large variety and mix of oils into one. Let's talk about how this product is applied. So the way you would apply this product is you want to go ahead and first, it says right here on the instructions here, it says shake well. So first you want to go ahead and shake the product, and shake the product real good, you know what I'm saying, like you're shaking a inshore or something, you know what I'm saying. You want to shake the hell out of that product. Alright, but you're gonna go ahead and shake the product well, and the first thing you want to do is you want to apply it directly to your scalp. That's how I do it, at least. You want to apply it directly to your scalp. So whether you have braids, individual plaits, cornrows, whatever you have, right? Like, I'm gonna put a clip right here of me applying it to my cornrows. You want to go ahead and apply it directly to your scalp. So the part of your scalp, the part of your hair that is exposed, you're gonna apply it directly to that portion. So if you had individuals, you apply it directly around each and every individual braid, right? So but if you have cornrows like me, you're just gonna go ahead and apply it between the lines, right? So you're gonna apply it to your scalp, and what I like to do is I like to go ahead and take my finger and kind of because you're gonna have a little bit of excess, you're gonna go ahead and massage it into the hair gently, right? Very gently, and put it and massage it into your hair after you apply it to your scalp. And then of course you want to go ahead and go through the lines and make sure it's in, you know what I'm saying, in your scalp, I suppose. Okay, but that's how you want to do that. But secondly, you want to go ahead and apply directly into your hair, your actual hair. So it does say here, apply directly to scalp and hair. So you want to apply it into your hair. So I'm not going to put it into my braids because it's just going to make it messy. But if your hair is out, right, if you don't have braids in your hair, you want to go ahead and firstly apply it to your scalp and then apply it into your actual hair. So go ahead, like you would apply any other product into your hair, you want to just kind of just make sure you hit every portion, try to make it as even as possible, and so on and so forth. But yeah, let's talk about now where you can pick this product up. So this product is at any of your local beauty supply stores. So any beauty supply store, it's at Walmart, it's on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link to Walmart and Amazon down below. But yeah, I'm pretty sure, like I'm almost positive that it will be at your local beauty supply store. So just go ahead and hit up your local beauty supply store and see if they got it. If they don't, you can always pick it up from Walmart or Amazon, etc. Overall, I believe this product, if I was to rate it 1 out of 10, I'll give this product a 10. In all honesty, again, like I said, this is one of the very few products that actually work for my hair. And the fact that it actually, you can see a visible difference and a visible growth in your hair, I think is quite astonishing in my opinion. Like from getting, I can give you like an example, right? So from getting my hair braided and applying just regular, any regular moisturizer, or even just any just essential oil on its own. Like say I put in jojoba oil into my hair, right? I think that's how it's pronounced, right? Or just I don't know, olive oil into my hair by itself, right? Applying it the same exact way I would apply this product, right? and then waiting a month or waiting a month and a half or 2 months, and then taking the braids out, or before I take the braids out, seeing how much new growth I have, right? Between using any other product and using this product, I see the most visible growth with this product, in my personal opinion, that's my personal experience, right? I'm just giving you guys my personal experience here. I've seen the most growth with this product. So hair grows about an inch each month, and I think this product actually maximizes your potential hair growth. So it's not guaranteed that your hair is gonna grow inch every single month. People's hair grow different rates, different speeds. It has to do with genetics, it has to do with what you apply to your hair, etc., right? It has to do with what you do with your hair, whether it's braided, etc., right? So there's a lot of factors into it, but I can tell you honestly, from the rate that my hair usually grows versus applying this product into my hair when I have braids, or just in general when my hair is out, this maximizes my hair growth. I don't know why. I think it might just be the blend of oils, or maybe there's 1 or 2 oils in here that really help my hair grow, but whatever it is, for some reason this product just works. So yeah, 10 out of 10 in all honesty, and I honestly do believe that this product might work for your hair, or you can at least give it a try if you want to. Of course, this video is not sponsored, so you know what I'm saying, I couldn't care less, but honestly I'm just giving you my personal opinions here. So if you want your hair to grow, or if you want to maximize your hair growth, I would recommend go ahead and rotating this product into your hair routine, or your, you know what I'm saying, your hair regimen, whatever, right? And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. That's my honest views, honest opinions on it. There's not very many products that work for me, and this is one of them that works. So I really like it. I haven't had any issues with it or anything like that. So yeah, that's my honest opinions and honest views. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave this video a like. If you're new, go ahead, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good jazz. And be sure to go ahead and click on my profile and check out another video. This is my 3rd hair video now. I don't know, you guys seem to only care about the hair videos, so I'm gonna keep making them, no complaints here. But if you want me to review another product like the hair conditioner I've been using in my hair lately, just drop a comment down below in the description in the comment section below, and make sure to leave this video a like and turn on post notifications, everything. All right, that's all the time I got for you today. I'm Kozak, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.